Hello guys, my name is Norma Damayanti. I would be a little explaining about the phenomenon of physics. Previously, let's discuss it about the static electricity. What is a static electricity? Static electricity is a branch of physics that studies the electrical phenomenon on the charge of electricity that is silent. This phenomenon of static electricity arises when the objects interact by each other. An example of the static electricity phenomenon in daily life is the occurrence of lightning. Causes and process of lightning in physics. The process of lightning during the rainy season we often have lightning. Maybe a friend is afraid when with a loud lightning sound. There was a roar of lightning we could hear when it was cloudy and when it was raining. Maybe friends were feeling surprised when they were looking at lightning and then there was the sound of their rumble. Why does it happen? The answer was lightning or express speed was faster than the speed of the sound we used to hear. The cause of lightning. 1. Gathering clouds because of wind help. When it is cloudy or rainy season, the speed of the wind above or in high speed. If we see on the cloudy atmosphere of the cloud looks dark. Why does it look dark? Because the cloud contains a lot of water vapor. A cloud that one with another cloud will be driven by the wind. Then the partition and maybe the clouds arise as one. In each of these clouds already contain electrons and unbalanced protons. This means that the number of electrons and their proton is not the sum. Often, clouds in the speech amount of negative charge of protons are unbalanced. 2. Potential difference comes from the unbalance between the positive charge and the negative charge result in the presence of potential difference. So, it can be said below difference potential occurs due to a difference in the number of protons and electrons. Ultimately, if there is a potential hike in electrons will flow into the earth in very large quantities. The circulation of electrons in a very large number of electrons is called lightning. The process of lightning in physics. Positive charge in above and negative charge below the state of positive charge and negative charge in the clouds. Most positive charge are fewer on top than the negative charge that is extremely large at the bottom. Due to the number of protons and electrons at different clouds or more the number of electrons, it must be neutralized. The condition are neutralized are the number of protons and electrons alike. To neutralize the clouds above so the cloud will draw away the electron. This electron drain ultimately fall to the earth. Why fall to earth? Because in earth mass objects on earth are positively charged, while the positive charge of negative charge will be attractive. For this reason, the electron will fall to the earth in a very large amount. This incident was called a lightning. Electrons negative charge toward earth to neutralize the charge at the cloud. The fall of electrons into a very large number called lightning. Lightning would strike or hit the Higgs area or object around him. For that, when it was raining or cloudy, the farmers in the rice field must stop from his activity and immediately went to the rice field. This aims to avoid being exposed to lightning. Why can it be a fake? His logic in when the farmer in the field. The farmer is the highest than the surrounding environment. It is clear that a farmer is higher than rice plants, right? This lightning will short the distance or track. So lightning actually stands objects or buildings. For example, high trees were often exposed to lightning or high buildings often hit by lightning. To prevent our building or house from being hit by a lightning, it is better if the building or house is installed with lightning. So, the function of lightning is to prevent lightning from our building or our house. Because of this lightning is very high tension that can damage all our shop of us. Tools in the house if our house were exposed by lightning.